Okay, so I'm hiding out behind my car. We're getting ready to go do a makeover for a military kid. She's looking out the window, so I don't want her to see me. Kind of hiding out here, but it's time. Let's go.
Hi.
Hi.
I hear there's someone named Parker here. Is that you? I'm Maria. This is my friend Chandy. And we have America watching right now because we're here to surprise you with the bedroom makeover. Are you ready?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah, give me a high five.
It's makeover day and we get to surprise a military kid. I'm so excited about this bedroom makeover, so let's go. Let's do this. Come on.
I was raised in a military family. My dad was in the Army 21 years, and I was in the Air Force for 4 years before I jumped on over to the Army. I was in the military for a total of 7 years. So I met my husband when I was still stationed in Germany. He was already in the Air Force and stationed at Fort Stewart. And then he changed my world again. I love my extended military family because they know exactly what I'm going through. I know what they're going through. We understand. As an adult, you build these bonds and you build these careers and this life in a place, and then you have to leave it. And that can be really, really sad. It's like a double-edged sword. It's like it's horrible to move and miss your friends, but then starting over in somewhere new and you never know, are you gonna go? We learn how to be not the new person, even though you're the new person. I'm excited for Parker's room getting made over because I've been kind of hesitant to change anything because I know the military life and we're gonna get up and go. But at the same time, she deserves her own individuality in the room. So I'm really excited for her.
Y'all, this is Parker. She's the star of the show. She's an Air Force kid with big dreams. But first things first, we've got to clear everything out of the bedroom so we can get started on the makeover.
This is the weird stuff I see from behind the scenes.
You should see it from this angle.
This is the ultimate test of teamwork, and our amazing volunteers are flying in. But hang tight, because as we clear away the old, we make space for the spectacular.
We're gonna do a little DIY. And instead of just hanging the pictures, we're going to add a ribbon, as you can see, a ribbon to the back of these, and we're gonna mount them on a hook. So stay with me, watch this, it's gonna look really great. This is gonna hang a little bit low, yes, that line is perfection. And I will make my ribbons such.
20 inches.
20 inches center. Yes,
20
sir.
inches.
20 inches center.
Story time. So Parker shared with me that she is all about foxes and bats and a seriously moody vibe with dark walls. Now, I'll admit I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm hoping that I can find a balance and make magic happen.
So I want to hang these picture frames, but I want to use a ribbon so that I'm elevating the look. I got really lucky with these picture frames because they have the perfect little place to run the ribbon in and tie it. Hey Harper, thanks for coming out and helping out today.
You're welcome.
I know you're a military kid. Is it hard to make friends?
It is hard to make friends because whenever you're in the military, you move a lot.
I see that you're making these signs. Why do you think it's important or special to be making this sign?
Because I know what she's going through.
You get it?
Yes, I get it.
Well, high five. I am so proud of you, Harper. Cursive, she's 10 years old, yes!
Thank
Cursive,
you.
love it. I'm glad I have really talented friends who love giving back to the military community because Chandy did this original piece. Yeah, amazing. I'm gonna make a starry sky with the fairy lights, but I got these white packs and I don't wanna see them. So we're wrapping them in the same wallpaper so we can disguise it and hide it behind the bed.
Good job.
We're adding the final touches, and let me tell you, it's amazing. Check out this vintage-inspired spindle bed. Talk about a glow-up, right? It's like the bed waved a magic wand and turned into pure elegance. And don't even get me started on the bedding. We're dialing up those cottage vibes. But wait, we're not just creating beautiful spaces, we're spreading kindness like confetti. You know what they say, teaching kids to volunteer and give back is like sowing seeds of awesomeness. Oh, and did I mention fairy lights on the ceiling? Yeah, we're giving the night sky some serious competition.
Kid approved.
I get asked all the time the differences between using removable wallpaper and paint. So let's break it down. This wall cost $120 in removable wallpaper. Now, if you were gonna paint it, you're looking at about $48 for a can of paint, but for military families, then we have to turn it back to the original white walls. So now you're adding primer and the new paint color. So when you do the math, using removable wallpaper isn't that much more expensive, but it's a lot easier to take it down. This is really beautiful, and we used stock imagery, elevated it by using ribbon to hang them off of hooks. Look at this. This is amazing, and it makes a statement, bringing in the elements that she loves, foxes, nature, and there's also a bat on the other wall, ties it all in. Sometimes I come up with crazy ideas, and I wanted a shelving unit, but that had a tree growing through it to stay with our theme. I gave it to William, he's our lead carpenter. He definitely thought I was a little bit nuts, but look, he made it, and it's amazing. The sleigh of the century.
Okay, y'all, it's happening! It's happening! Makeover day is my favorite day. Reveals are my favorite moment. And I can't wait to share it with you, and I can't wait for Parker to see it. She's gonna love it. At least I hope so. So Parker, do you remember what your room looked like? Well, just in case you forgot, I'm gonna show you. Remember that? That's what your room looked like. It doesn't look like that anymore. It's a little different, okay? Keeping your eyes closed. All right, Parker, this is for you. We hope you love your bedroom because every night is gonna be a starry night. Open your eyes.
Oh my God.
What do you think?
I like it.
Well, come on over. I want you to see everything. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Moving with the Military and this magical bedroom makeover for an awesome military kid. High five. Woo! And you know what we do? At the end of every show, we close it out and we say, that's a wrap. Can you say that on 3? 1, 2, 3.
That's a wrap.